How's it going, y'all? My name is Aiden Anderson, and this is the Moscow Minutes. I'll be bringing you the latest from the Latah County Commissioner meetings from the week of September 11th, 2022. Highlights from this week include a proclamation honoring a late judge, a hearing for a potential new member of the Planning Commission, and the naming of the new county building in Moscow. Let's get into it. Monday morning began with a regular meeting with the head of the ITS department, who gave an update regarding various procedures and goings-on within the department. The commissioners then moved on to some action items, the first of which was a proclamation to honor the late Judge William C. Hamlett for his service to the county as both a judge and a former prosecuting attorney. Commissioner Tom Lamar read the proclamation aloud, and a plaque dedicated to the former judge is to be hung in the county courthouse in his honor. Following that, the commissioners renewed their lease with Bennett Lumber for a tower property on Moscow Mountain. They approved a new customer application with Zebra Printing for repairs and maintenance on e-ticketing printers for county patrol vehicles. This was followed by a meeting with Lena Fort, a high school student in Moscow who is looking to become part of the Planning Commission. The commissioners held something of an interview or screening process to determine her interest and experience with the position. But rather than make a decision today, they opted to continue this particular item so that Lena can get some references to supplement her interview. The commissioners then approved the State of Idaho Department of Health and Welfare subgrant amendment, which expands a previous grant from last year and adds funding for this year. This was followed by their weekly review, where each of the commissioners gave an update as to what they've been up to recently, and then this was further followed by an executive session for attorney-client communications. The commissioners then set out to name the new county building located at 1313 South Blaine Street in Moscow, and which the county is hoping to use as a new DMV and licensing facility. After a short discussion about the building's location and previous names for other county buildings, the commissioners decided that Latah County Blaine would make for the best shorthand name. So that's Latah County Blaine. Once the building is actually up and running, I'm sure that it will be referred to by a variety of names, but Latah County Blaine is what the commissioners have themselves decided to call it. Following that, the commissioners held a discussion with the county treasurer and assessor's offices regarding a new piece of software. Apparently, the programs which are currently utilized by the Idaho State Tax Commission have proven unworkable for Latah County, and an alternative system which checks more boxes has been found. The only issue with this alternative is that it was not accounted for in the 2023 budget. So if the county wishes to acquire the new software, they will have to first open the budget and conduct the appropriate hearing in order to accommodate it financially. So, while the commissioners agreed that this was likely the right action to take, namely to open the budget, incorporate the new software, etc., no action was taken on the subject today due to having to put all of those pieces together. So ultimately, if things go accordingly, the new software will be implemented in July or August of this coming year. The commissioners then approved the joint treasurer and auditor reports from October of 2021 to March of 2022 before entering into a discussion with the heads of Inland North Waste, the county prosecutor, and the head of the county solid waste department. Inland North Waste is looking at the possibility of a significant rate increase based on rising costs on their end of things, and they were looking to ask the commissioners what sort of information they require to make such a rate change a reality in a contract. The county officials responded that they would be looking for changes in actual expenses as they relate to the contract that Inland North Waste has with Latah County, with certain records to be discussed under the context of an executive session. Inland North Waste plans to compile and deliver that information to the county at a future meeting. Once that discussion ended, the commissioners went off the record for the day. And that's the latest from the Latah County Commissioners. As always, we'll have the relevant links posted with this video, and if you have any questions, let us know. This is Aiden Anderson with the Moscow Minutes. See you next time.